We're in Hyper-V in Windows 10. I'm running a Windows 2016 server there, and sometimes the servers get stuck, and when they get stuck, you can't shut them down. So really the only way to shut them down is going to be to right-click on them and choose Reset. So watch in the lower left corner what happens when I click the Reset. This is the same as pulling the plug. You can see it just instantly shuts off. And then it's going to restart itself again when it's done. Now you can see it restarted really fast because we're on an SSD drive and an i7 computer, so it's very quick. However, if your computer doesn't have those kind of resources, it may take a little bit longer. But this is not the greatest idea to do unless you really have a stuck computer. So you only want to do this if there's no other way to make that happen. So if your computer can be shut down simply by right-clicking and choosing shutdown or getting into the computer, it's much better. This is just like if I unplugged the computer from the back of the power supply. So once it comes back up again, you should be able to get back in and hopefully find out what caused your virtual machine to become stuck in the first place.